मैंने ये फैसला कर लिया था कि मैं यहाँ एक बार फिर आऊंगी और पूरा पाकिस्तान एक्सप्लोर करूंगी। And my exploration begins. यहाँ आकर पता लगता है कि its history is as grand as the fort. कहीं मैं गुम ही ना हो जाऊं। इस टूर की मेरी पहली डेस्टिनेशन the Royal Kitchen. As I walked towards the Royal Kitchen, I felt more regal than ever before. देखते हैं कि अंदर से कैसा है। I would like to share its history. The royal kitchens were constructed during the reign of Emperor Shah Jahan. यहाँ पे different खाने की varieties पकती थीं. The helpers would carry the food from here to the private chambers of the king, princesses, and other courtiers. बाद में ये kitchen storeroom बन गया था, and also it was the place for horses and their stables. As you can see, these are the ruins. तो पुराने ज़माने में the whole royal kitchen was buried in soil. लेकिन restoration के बाद अब ये इन हालात में है. This place is so quiet, and being an introvert, I love such places. These pictures represent the before and after contrast of this royal kitchen. The arches are so beautiful. I must say the architects were geniuses. I should definitely capture it for my picture journal. Ah, perfect. So, that was Royal Kitchen. It was an interesting place. Ab chale, let's go to the next place. कहते हैं आहते शाहजहानी, the beautiful symmetrical garden with of course a mesmerizing fountain in the center of it. इसमें कोई शक नहीं है कि शाहजहान did have a luxurious life. Here it is. इनको देखें. Pretty cool. As tough as they look, they're so on spot. गर्मी हो या सर्दी, these guys are there. Doing their duties, हर tourist को entertain करने के लिए तैयार हैं. So, I decided to click a picture with them. Now, entering into the Khwaga, built by Wazir Khan in 1634. यहाँ पे शाहजहान आकर रेस्ट करता था. 5 sleeping chambers are lined in a single row. The chambers feature carved marble screens and are decorated with inlaid white marble and frescoes. So, let's go! और बहुत कुछ है यहाँ देखने को. Moving on to Diwan-e-Khas. ये वो जगह है जहाँ emperor would attend to matters of the state and where courtiers and state guests were received. मैंने सोचा कि मैं भी feel करूं how amazing it would have been to host a large gathering of people. So royal. Feels amazing to relive the history again. Oh, शीश महल. इसके बारे में बहुत सुना है. So let's go inside. Wow, this place is embedded with mirrors. Gifted to Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1631 by Mirza Ghiaz Beg, the grandfather of Mumtaz Mahal. Sheesh means shisha. Mirror को उर्दू में शीशा कहते हैं. So basically, it's the Mirror Palace, the Sheesh Mahal. Sheesh Mahal के बाहर एक fountain है, and this fountain contains the Black Heart. Myth ये है कि शाहजहां की wife passed away before seeing and living in this Sheesh Mahal. And because of Shah Jahan's sadness, devastation, it was called the Black Heart. This is the place where the king would look outside and enjoy the view. शीश महल में शीशा जो है वो आया था सीरिया से. As you can see कि इसके डिज़ाइन में चाइना की भी contribution थी. This was the Mughal dynasty, and at the same time in China, we had Ming dynasty. ये लाहौर फोर्ट का सबसे यूनिक मॉन्यूमेंट है and forms the jewel in the fort's crown. ये पर्सनल यूज के लिए इस्तेमाल होता था by the imperial family. The ornate white marble pavilion's walls are decorated with frescoes and are inlaid with pietra dura. Walking towards the summer palace, ये शीश महल की basement में located है. This would have been my favorite reading spot अगर मैं उस दौर में पैदा होती. I love reading. The jali work looks aesthetically appeasing. I'm sure that like many of us, you also might not have heard about it earlier. So guys, this is Barut Khana, where they store the gunpowder. Oops, sorry, I meant that they used to store gunpowder. Chale, let's go inside and see. This is amazing. It's like a hidden treasure. It was totally unexpected. Barut Khana sunkar, I thought this was a gunpowder storage place, but when you enter inside, it's a conference hall. Imagine having a conference meeting in this place, and that too in Shahi Kila. Indeed, a great turnover by the management of the fort. Barut Khana को पूरा ही बदल दिया. Just surprised. The Mughal warriors wouldn't have even imagined कि ये Barut Khana एक conference hall बन जाएगा. Just like a boss. So far, so good. इन स्टेयर्स पे एक टाइम पे एलिफेंट्स उतरा करते थे, having Mughal kings on top of them. The view looks so good. Feels as if I have been teleported back to the Mughal dynasty. It reminded me of the time when I visited the Forbidden City in Beijing, China. I felt that teleportation too. This is the famous Gate Khana, once a cage for all the prisoners. ये भी एक fort का part है. Walking towards Diwan-e-Aam, कहते हैं कि ये एक बहुत ही attractive और prominent building है शाही किला में. House of 40 pillars is a unique feature to the fort and was the place where the king held public hearings. The unique feature of Diwan-e-Aam is the throne gallery projecting from its rear wall, and there the emperor would sit with his royal protocol to hear the problems of the public. मैंने एक चीज़ को नोट की है, शाही किला में बहुत ज़्यादा फैमिलीज आते हैं और पिकनिक भी मनाते हैं. तो अभी मुझे नजर आ रही है एक फैमिली, तो हम उनसे बात कर लेते हैं एंड विल आस्क देम हाउ दे स्पेंड देयर डे. आजी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम सलाम.
आप लोग कहाँ से आए हैं?
हम लोग आए हैं डेरा गाजी खान से.
अच्छा, तो लाहौर फोर्ट मतलब ये पहले दफ़ा है?
हाँ, फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं और घूमने फिरने के लिए आए हैं माशाल्लाह।
तो कैसे लगा?
बड़ा इंजॉय हो रहा है, बहुत प्यारी प्यारी जगह है, मीनार पाकिस्तान है, मस्जिद है, माशाल्लाह बहुत ज़्यादा इंजॉय।
तो शाही किला में जो आपको सबसे अच्छी चीज़ क्या लगती है?
सबसे अच्छी माशाल्लाह सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे अच्छी है, कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं है जो अच्छी ना लगे। माशाल्लाह बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत जो है ना साहब है, यहाँ माहौल है।
So it was really lovely to meet you guys. बहुत शुक्रिया and have a nice day. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़। एक बात तो है, जो रिस्पेक्ट आपको पाकिस्तानी लोग देते हैं, it's just unbelievable. Already feeling so special. Oh, some kids are playing badminton. I'm going to join them as well. Assalamu alaikum. मैं खेल सकती हूँ? Can I join you? Thank you. I almost forgot how to play badminton. Oh. Thank you so much. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Umayma.
Oh, we asked the same question. What's your name again?
My name is Umayma.
Umayma. My name is Maria.
What is your currency?
My currency, it's RMB. Yuan.
1 minute. ये पैसे कहाँ के हैं?
ये तो हमारी करेंसी है. This is 1 yuan. We call it yuan. So this is almost, I think, let's put an estimation. It's around 30 rupees. So where did you get this from? कहाँ से मिला?
मेरे कज़न ने दिया.
Cousin ने दिया. This reminds me of home. Have a nice day. Really nice meeting you. Allah Hafiz. Sachin. Behind me is the famous Moti Masjid. Moti means pearl. Built in the 17th century, it's a small white marble modified by the architects of Shah Jahan. It was an established practice among Mughal emperors to name the mosques after generic names for gemstones. It's an attribute given to the religious structure by naming it on a gemstone. The mosque has 3 superimposed domes, 2 aisles of 5 bays, and a slightly raised central portal with a rectangular frame. After the Mughal Empire, the mosque was converted into a Sikh temple and renamed Moti Mandir during the period of the Sikh rule under Ranjit Singh's Sikh Confederacy. Later, Ranjit Singh also used the building for the state treasury. This is the Maktab Khana, a small court right adjacent to the Moti Masjid. यहाँ पे clerks record their entries into the fort. Just having the time of my life. शाही हमाम बनाया गया था in 1654. The footsteps that I'm taking, एक time था जब यहाँ great Mughal emperors चले होंगे. Just wonderful, no? These shops contain all the antique stuff. I love these kind of miniatures. इसको कहते हैं सही तरह से पीसना, मतलब मैश करना. A sword. God. There's so much to look forward to. The traditional jewelry looks so great. The representation of Mughal era in this jewelry. God, I love this bracelet. I'm gonna take this for myself. Oh, these are so cute. I'm gonna buy these. लाहौर फोर्ट तो बहुत बड़ा है, पैदल चल चल के मैं तो थक गई हूँ. I'm so tired. I'm just going to hop on this cart and take a tour around and see if I have missed anything. And this is the perfect day, you know, for a school trip and for family gatherings, because the weather is so pleasant. In the summer, the temperature usually goes up to 50 degrees Celsius, but today I think it's like not more than 30. It's very pleasant. I love the breeze and the view. I guess this is it. It's time for me to leave this beautiful place. I'm already feeling so sad, but chalo, koi baat nahi. Wow! What a grand and majestic view! Right now I'm standing in front of Alamgiri Gate. It's one of the most symbolic gates of Lahore Fort. और उसके सामने है आप नजर आएंगे बादशाही मस्जिद. Isn't it mesmerizing? जी, आपने तो देखा मेरे साथ लाहौर की शाही किला. It's a landmark of Lahore and a masterpiece of Mughal architecture. ये वही जगह है that have captivated my heart. इसलिए मैं कहती हूँ कि मेरा दिल है पाकिस्तानी.